Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a 2-ingredient banana smoothie, and my brother is going to be trying it out to check if it's good for you guys. Yeah, let's get right on to the video. Alrighty guys, so welcome to my kitchen. Please don't mind this mess over here. Okay, anyway, so the things you're going to be needing are 1 frozen chopped banana. I'm not obviously going to use all of this, but like 6 to 7 pieces of like chopped frozen bananas. You might want to freeze them ahead of time. Yeah. And then you're going to need 1 cup of milk. I prefer using cold milk, fresh milk. Okay, so you're going to put all your ingredients in your blender. So I'm adding 7 pieces. You could add 6. Or you could add like 3 to 4 pieces to half a cup of milk. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, oops, and 7. I'm gonna put it back in the freezer. And here I have my 1 cup measurement. I don't know if you could have read that. Okay, there we go. Okay, so once you got that, put your lid on, and put it in. And I'll be right back when it's blended. Okay, so I'm back, and whoa, that was fast. Oh, so here it is. Whoa, that was really nice. And yeah, I'm just gonna pour it in here for my brother. Have some extras. And I'll keep that there in case he wants some more. And I'll be back. I'm just gonna call him. Alrighty, so I'm here. I just needed to tell you guys something, and then I'm just gonna go call my brother now. Hello! What are you doing here? I was just about to go call you, but then you just jumped out of nowhere. Okay, anyways, you just saved me some time. Try it for me. What do you think?
Sounds delicious.
Tastes delicious.
Tastes delicious. Can I have more?
Come on!
Okay, thank you for watching.
What you doing?
Nothing.
Yeah, you're doing nothing, right? I believe you. Totally believe you. Okay, anyways, so thank you for watching. Just like I said last time, if you made it all the way till here, you are amazing. I really hope you try out this recipe. My mom made it, and my mom invented it. And if you want, you could add like a splash of vanilla to give it a pop of flavor. And anyways, don't forget to like, comment, share, and
Subscribe.
thank you for watching. Bye!